Hey guys, this is our first video. We're doing the Bean Boozled
I'm
challenge.
gonna wait for me to sit down, but you know, it's cool. Alright.
We should probably get a pack of gum too, because our breath is gonna stink after we do this Bean Boozled.
So he's going first.
I guess I will.
Oh, stinky socks.
Stinky socks.
Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Stinky socks.
Stinky socks.
What color is it?
It has like blue. Oh, here it is. It's right here. I found it.
It's either Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti.
Alright. Sit down. Is it good or bad?
It tastes weird.
Tastes weird.
Yeah, I can't really tell what it is.
Doesn't taste like stinky socks?
No.
Alright, well, on to the next one. Seth, your turn. Barf or peach? Want to go show him?
Yeah.
Alright, it's this one. See what mine is. Alright, so mine could be strawberry banana smoothie, or it could be dead fish.
Like this.
Alright.
It's dead fish.
I got dead fish. Tastes just like fish.
What is that? Did you put in there? A little bit of fish?
Come on, don't give me the canned dog food, man. I've done dog food before. It's so disgusting.
It's all you, buddy.
Is it dog food?
No, it's chocolate pudding. Thank God.
I feel like I'm the only one that's losing at this game.
Didn't spin that fast.
Oh, blueberry or berry blue or toothpaste. All right. This one looks like toothpaste. Brush your teeth, son.
Well, thanks. I know my breath stinks.
Wait.
All right.
Okay.
It's toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Dang it.
Thanks.
All right. Tutti Frutti or socks? This one's good with this one. Yeah. That's not it. Yeah, it doesn't. I think I made the wrong one. I got coconut.
And whatever. Shouldn't have spin
Are you
sauce.
serious?
What'd you get?
You see that, bro? Come on.
I think. Let me see.
Here you go.
Oh, that one's dog food.
But I think that's nutritious for you. Your hair is gonna be shiny in the morning.
Spin. Again.
What'd you get? The toothpaste or
Yep.
full bloom?
Oh God, that's disgusting. Oh,
Toothpaste.
bro, come on.
His teeth or his mouth smells like dog food, and he's gonna taste minty fresh. All right. So we got these, they're crickets, sour cream and onion. It's something we found at this store called Hey Sugar Candy in Waco. We're gonna eat these, and I guess we'll tell you how they are.
What?
All right. So where are the crickets at?
Right here.
So I got this nice duff from where is it at? There it is. From The Simpsons right here to scarf it down if it don't taste good.
Open these real quick.
I'm gonna just swallow it. No taste.
Oh, you gotta.
No, you gotta chew it.
bro.
You gotta chew it.
You gotta chew it, bro. The little package.
Woo.
Oh, okay. You smell anything?
Oh no, I don't know if I want to smell anything.
I don't know if I want to taste anything.
I don't know. I bet it'll be kind of good.
Hopefully.
All right.
We already killed one cricket.
Open your hand. I get Charles a nice big one.
I'm gonna just swallow it whole.
No, you gotta chew.
You gotta show it to the camera too.
You gotta chew, man.
All right, I'll get myself a nice big one too.
I'm gonna just swallow it whole.
Oh man,
Ain't chewing it.
Alright.
Ain't chewing it.
Now you gotta chew it.
You gotta chew it,
No.
man.
You gotta chew it. Alright. Cheers.
What, for the content?
No one laughed at that joke. Cricket, cricket. Alright. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I don't taste anything.
Like really crunchy though.
Mm-hmm. There's a little bit of an aftertaste.
Very leggy, I guess.
Yeah.
I think I taste the legs.
Hopefully I don't have any legs in my teeth later.
I'm not gonna have any more.
Alright. So we're going round 2 with the crickets. Here. So the first one didn't really taste too much like sour cream and onion. Did taste like a cricket that had been dead for a while though, like really crunchy, just exoskeleton and all. Like,
Yeah.
Alright.
A lot of legs. Alright, let's go.
Still didn't taste anything.
I don't
I'm
know.
gonna try this duff now.
I'm gonna try this real quick.
Yeah, and it fell down.
Oh, well.
It tastes like very familiar. I can't really figure out what it is.
It's a duff.
If I had to guess, it would be like orange soda, I guess.
Yeah, mine's orange.
Well, I mean, yours is an orange soda. Mine is
Dude, I think
an orange Duff soda, I guess.
Dude, you got concrete on it, and it got in my mouth. Like and subscribe. Comment what we should do in the next video. See you in the next one.
Like and subscribe, and go comment down below. And peace out.
Peace out.
Peace.
We out in Waco.